Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. We are continuing the air conditioner is cooling weekly series. In this video, we will discuss a collection of common installation errors, real installation nightmares. In truth, it is rare to see all of these mistakes occurring in a single installation. Usually, in each of our lessons, we focus on only one specific problem. However, we decided to gather all these errors in one video to show the dangerous chain reaction they create. In my 20 years of experience, I have witnessed several times where a technician makes not just one, but multiple serious mistakes simultaneously. In previous lesson, we talked about using incorrect pipe sizes and running two refrigerant lines inside a single insulation sleeve. Now imagine what happens when these two errors are combined. This is no longer just a mistake, it is a death sentence for the unit. Under these conditions, a catastrophic failure of the compressor is almost inevitable in a short period of time. Fortunately, in 20 years, I haven't encountered many causes where every single one of these mistakes was made at once. However, among the issues I will list today, some occur due to a complete loss of professional responsibility. Poor quality insulation causes pipes to sweat. Sometimes, instead of fixing the issue, technicians simply wrap another layer over the wet insulation, which only deepens the problem. Furthermore, wrapping the sun explode parts of the pipes with black tape creates parasitic heat. This causes the liquid refrigerant to boil before it even reaches the indoor unit, significantly reducing cooling efficiency. Sometimes the outdoor unit is installed just 1 to 2 centimeters from the ceiling. This causes the unit to suffocate in its own hot air because the heat cannot circulate, leading to dangerous high condensation pressure. Sometimes one unit is placed directly under another due to a lack of space on the balcony. We must explain to the customer that this is unacceptable. The customer is not an HVAC expert. They don't know which factors affect performance. Explaining that these errors will result in heavy electricity bills in a very effective way to encourage customers to choose better solutions. The mutual heat coming from these units makes it harder for both to function, eventually leading to compressor burnout. Sometimes the AC is placed in a completely enclosed space, as if it were an endless object, and yet people still expect the room to cool down. We could have made a separate video for each of these specific issues. But since we already explained the core technical concepts in our previous lessons, we decided to summarize them here. I know that most of people watching this video are my colleagues, and I want to speak very sincerely with you. These videos are designed to help AC technicians and raise our professional standards together. We take pleasure in sharing what we know to be right. I am human and I can make mistakes too. If you have a different experience or notice a mistake, please let us know in the comment section so we can discuss it. To avoid these nightmares, it is usually enough to read the service manual just once. or watch my installation guide videos on YouTube. On our channel, we have explained the proper installation and repair processes step by step in both Azerbaijani and Russian. The fact that YouTube can YouTube can now translate English videos into 20 different languages using AI is what inspired me to start this global project. We will continue to be interactive and explain everything clearly. If someone points out a mistake, we will admit it and fix it in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us. Thank you for watching us until the end.